So, we're already talking about the iPhone 17 lineup, and we're still about 8 months away from their launch. Crazy, right? But the leaks and rumors are already flooding in, and today, I've got a juicy roundup for you. We're diving into 5 major camera upgrades rumored for Apple's next big release, so let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about the big design shakeup. The iPhone's camera setup has been rocking the same triangular look since the iPhone 11 Pro, but that might finally change. Rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max could feature a horizontal camera bar, kind of like Google Pixel or Samsung Galaxy vibes. Now, before you say, wait, is Apple copying Samsung and Google? Hold up, there's only so much you can do with camera layouts, right? Sure, they could go for a circular design like OnePlus or Oppo, but at this point, Apple has to make a bold move if they want to stand out. Some leaks even say the current triangular design might stick around, but with Apple's track record of subtle, yet impactful changes, don't be surprised if they opt for a fresh layout. Horizontal or not, something big is definitely brewing. Moving on to the next one, and this one's huge. It looks like all 3 cameras on the Pro models will finally get upgraded to 48 megapixel. Right now, only the wide and ultra-wide cameras are 48 megapixel, while the telephoto lens, used for 5x optical zoom, is stuck at 12 megapixel. If the leaks are true, this upgrade means sharper zoomed-in shots, richer details, and better overall image quality. And here's the kicker. Apple might even crank up the digital zoom, think 25x, 30x, or maybe even 50x. Imagine capturing crystal clear shots from way across the room. Now, good news for those eyeing the regular iPhone 17. Rumor has it that 48 megapixel sensors could trickle down to the ultra-wide camera, not just the Pro models. That means both the wide and ultra-wide lenses on the standard iPhone 17 could deliver stunning photos, just like the Pros. Finally, a win for non-Pro buyers. Here's a subtle but important upgrade. The main wide lens aperture on the Pro models might shrink from f/1.3 to f/1.28. Why does this matter? A smaller aperture allows more light to hit the sensor, which means better low-light photos and sharper images overall. Combine this with Apple's new A19 chip, and we could be looking at some serious photography magic. And lastly, Apple's finally showing the front-facing camera some love. Reports suggest it'll jump from 12 megapixel to 24 megapixel, delivering sharper selfies and vlog-worthy video quality. But that's not all. There's talk of a wider field of view, making group selfies and 2-person vlogs easier than ever. Apple might even throw in center stage functionality for video calls. It's about time they gave the selfie cam the attention it deserves. So, when can we expect all this goodness? Apple's pretty consistent with their launches, and we're looking at a September 2025 release, most likely in the 2nd or 3rd week of the month. Expect pre-orders to drop a week after the event, with devices landing in stores shortly after. As for pricing, here's where things get tricky. US prices might stay steady, starting at $999 for the base Pro model, but international buyers could see price hikes depending on currency rates and import fees. Fingers crossed it doesn't get too crazy. That's it for today's roundup. If you're as excited about the iPhone 17 Pro as I am, smash that like button and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Apple's camera upgrades will blow the competition away? Until next time, take care and stay awesome.